So going up in a man lift's not too bad. Especially, have you ever jumped out of an airplane?
No, why would I want to do that?
Well, it's fun. Jumping out of an airplane is exhilarating, and this is easier than jumping out of an airplane.
Well, where's the basket part that I sit in?
You don't sit in anything. You just
What do you mean?
stand in there.
I stand in here?
In this part.
In that
You
part?
stand in here.
I thought that's...
Oh, the tilt trailer.
Wow. Here we go. Oh my God. Wow, we can see all the property.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Here we go. Higher and higher. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, shit.
Do you want to take a little break, or?
No. Look at all of this.
I mean, you just see the whole.
Wow. Cool. Wow, you guys are really far down there.
Okay, we're going up more now.
We are?
Yeah, more.
Oh, my word.
Yeah, you can see everything.
Wow. Wow, look at that fallen tree.
Yeah. You can see the trees that are down and
Oh,
where the cows and the horses are. It looks like the
Yeah.
cows and the horses are together.
yeah, they graze together. Oh my gosh, this is a remarkable view. Look at all of this.
It is.
This is incredible.
It's the Mohawk Valley.
Yeah, sure is.
Yeah, the range.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
They're clear cutting over
You
there.
can see all. I don't usually wear a cowboy hat when I'm cutting trees,
Did it for
but
us.
I'm riding man lift right now.
Right.
Riding Nifty.
Nifty. Oh my word. Wow.
Yep.
Look at
We're
this
getting
view.
high up here.
Oh my gosh.
Got all.
One
We tell
of
people this is the Mohawk
the
Valley.
most picturesque valleys in Oregon.
It is.
right?
It's very nice. Listening to the sounds that are far away, and the echoes down in the canyon, and it's just peaceful. Being up on a mountain is just so peaceful.
Yeah. Do you ever encounter any bird's nests?
Oh,
like
yeah.
hawks and stuff?
I don't know if I've ever encountered a hawk's nest, but squirrel nests definitely. Sometimes raccoon.
To the
There's a fair
chickens.
amount of bald eagles spread out around this county.
Yeah.
In fact, I saw a bald eagle today up there
Did you?
flying down the river.
Yeah, they're cool.
But that's the Coburg Hills.
Oh,
You know, everybody is well aware of what the Coburg Hills are. What a day, huh?
Yeah, what a day.